the upcoming assessments, isn't it? Very nice. So class, today is 25th February 2021 and slowly and steadily we are moving towards the date of our assessments, isn't it? Soon I am going to share the date sheets also. Now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So class, if you remember, we have done a topic skip counting. You remember that? So can anyone tell me what is skip counting? Skip counting is when we jump from one number to other directly. Skip करना, jump करने को कहते हैं. So जब आप एक नंबर पे खड़े हैं, you directly skip and reach the next number, but we leave few numbers in between, isn't it? So today we are going to do the skip count of 3. आपको याद हो जब हमने skip counting की थी, what we were doing? Skip counting के बाद we have also returned the tables, isn't it? So today we are going to revise the table of 3. First, let's see the skip counting work and then we are going to write our table. क्योंकि table हम skip counting से ही लिखते हैं. Clear? Before beginning, I would like to share one more thing with you. It might happen you may ask to write the table. आपको table रखने को दिया जाएगा. So the table जब हम next लिखते हैं, आपको याद होगा जो हम लिखते हैं 3 into 1 like this. You remember that? 3 into 1 is equal to, then 3 into 2 is equal to. So what is this? This is our table, isn't it? ये क्या है? ये हमारा table होता है. But if it is asked, draw skip counting या draw number line and show the skip counting by 2, by 3, तब आप क्या करेंगे? आप number lines बनाएंगे और उसके ऊपर आप अपनी skip counting को show करेंगे. Clear? So this can be asked in two ways. ध्यान से सुनिएगा. It can be asked in two ways. One, you may be asked to write the table. आपको table लिखने को दिया जाएगा. Or the other way is, I may ask you to write, or you can say draw the number line and show the skip count by 3 on it. तब आप क्या करेंगे? आप number lines बनाएंगे. I'll show you in the notebook also. आप number lines बनाएंगे और फिर उसके ऊपर अपनी skip counting को show करेंगे. And आपको skip counting 10 counts तो करके ही दिखाने हैं. Don't think कि 2 jump या 3 jump करा and हो गया. No, you have to show minimum 10 jumps. कम से कम 10 jumps करके पूरी number line show करेंगे आप. So you have to take 10 jumps on that number line. Clear everyone? So before writing the table, let's understand how to do skip count on number line. Let's revise that. So if you are standing at 0, we always stand at 0 whenever we begin any game, isn't it? जब भी आप snakes and ladder play करते हो, you always stand on 0. Clear? फिर क्या होता है? We use a dice, we throw. अब मान लीजिए यहाँ पे आपके dice पे हर बार 3 आएगा. Because we are going to do skip count by 3. So if you are standing in 0 and you got the number 3, तो आप skip करके या jump करके कहाँ आएंगे? Tell me that. You will count 3, 1, 2, 3 and you will reach here. Isn't it? So let's make one jump like this. So this is our one jump. You will write 1 here. आपको skip count की presentation बता रही है मैम, so please listen carefully. So from 0 to 3 is 1 jump. What is this? 1 jump. Now if you are standing at 3 and I asked you to jump once more, again by 3, count by 3 and jump once more. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. क्योंकि आप 3 पे खड़े हो तो नेक्स्ट नंबर से काउंट करेंगे. सो वी विल काउंट 1, 2, 3 हियर. हम यहाँ पहुंच गए. where you are going to reach 6. This will be the second jump. Second jump, जब आपने second time jump करा, you reached 6. Clear? Again, let's take one more jump. अब एक और jump लेंगे तो 1, 2, 3. The next one, you are going to reach 9. So let's make a jump and reach there. This will be your third jump. See, first jump में हम 3 पे आए. Second jump you got on 6. The third jump you reached 9. Clear? Now let's take the fourth jump. Now if we will take the fourth jump, where we are going to reach? 1, 2, 3. So what you have to do, class? Every time you will jump 3. Now if you take the fourth jump, you are going to land on number 12. Where you will land? 12. Jump करेंगे एक नंबर से from 9. और जब हम 3 numbers आगे jump करेंगे, you are going to land on 12. Clear? So we are taking jumps by 3 numbers every time. Clear? This is skip count by 3. Now let's proceed and take one more jump. 1, 2, 3. Here you are going to reach. तो जब आप अपनी 5th jump लेंगे तो आप कहाँ आ जाएंगे? You are going to reach on number 15 on your 6th jump. Clear? Sorry, 5th jump, not 6th jump. On your 5th jump, you will reach number 15. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps and we are on 15 now. अब अगर 15 से ahead एक jump और लेंगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे? 1, 2, 3. Here on 18. So your 6th jump will be for number 18. When you will take the 6th jump, you will reach on number 18. Clear? Now see, you are standing on 18 now. अब हमने वो number continue किया. So we are standing on 18. 18 पे खड़े हैं हम. Now let's count 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to reach on number 21. Now वो हमारी 6th jump ली थी. This is the 6th jump we have taken. तो अब बताइए ये कौन सी jump हो गई? This will be 7th. तो let's write 7 here. Understood? ये 7th jump है हमारी. Now when you are on 21, 1, 2, 3 again. One more jump. So from 21 to 24, that will be 8. 21 से 24 पहुंचे. कितनी जंप में पहुंचे आप? 8 जंप्स में. 0 से 24 हम कितनी जंप्स में पहुंचे? 8 जंप्स. जब आपने 8 टाइम जंप किया, मैम ने क्या कहा था? नंबर लाइन प्रेजेंटेशन में मिनिमम 10 जंप्स करनी है. So we are going to take 2 more jumps now. 1, 2, 3 again. एक jump और लिया and we reached 27. This is the 9th jump now. But हमें 10 लेनी है तो let's take one more. 1, 2, 3. So you are going to reach number 30 in that. Clear? So this is the last jump. That is the 10th jump. Understood how you are going to do the skip count presentation? जब भी आपको skip count बोला जाएगा कि you have to draw a number line and do skip counting by 2, by 3. तो जब आपको 2 की skip count करनी है, you will always count 2 numbers. But here we have done skip count by 3. तो हमने क्या किया? Every time we were counting 3 numbers. Is that clear to all of you? Now, after doing the skip count, we are going to write our table. बहुत easy हो जाएगा. कैसे? आपने ऊपर अपना skip count तो कर ही रखा है ना? So every time you have written the number of jumps also. Now, 3 So let's write that. Like this, you have to write this whole. Now tell me, 3 into 4 will be, after taking the fourth jump, कहाँ थे हम? 12 पे. हम आ गए 12 पे. Now, after taking the fifth jump, 3 का जब fifth jump लिया हमने, we reached 15. So you will write 15 here. Clear? Then 3 into 6. Tell me 6 jump ली तो कहाँ आ गए? हम 15 पे थे जब हमने 6th jump ली. We reached number 18. Then 3 into 7. From when we took the 7th jump, we started from 18. So where we reached? 21. So let's write here. Now can you tell me 8th jump लेने के बाद हम कहाँ पहुँच गए? We reached number 24. So you will write 24 here. When you took your 9th jump, कहाँ पहुँचे थे हम? 29 पर, sorry 27 पर with the 9th jump, and with the last jump, the 10th one, we reached 30. Isn't it? तो अब ये देखिए, skip count भी हो गया and we have written the table also. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 into 10, that is 3 tens are 30. Clear everyone? So like this, you will do your skip counting as well as your table. Understood everyone? So now let's see how we are going to do the work in notebook. मान लीजिए आपको skip count की presentation बोली जाती है करने के लिए. How you are going to do? मैम ने notebook में number line draw करी है. जिस तरह मैम ने की है, you will do the same way. Clear? That is the only proper way of writing a number line, of drawing a number line, or doing your work on number line. So open your maths notebook, write down today's date and topic. So what is the topic? Table of 3. इसी में हम skip count भी करेंगे और table भी लिखेंगे as we have done on the board. Clear? So date, classwork and topic. Write down all the 3 things and let's see how to do the work in notebook. Clear? So class, now like this, you have to open your notebook, your maths notebook, where you will first write today's date, that is 25th February 2021. Write down the topic, table of 3, and mention classwork also, like this. Clear everyone? So mention classwork. Now, I told you I will show you how to make a number line. See here, you will make number line like this. बहुत neatly आपको numbers लिखने हैं. Clear? So in one line you can write numbers from 0 to 12. If you will see, boxes के according हर box के line पे आप एक number लिखिएगा like this. So that will give you a neat and clean work. So make number line like this. And then on this number line, we are going to start our skip counting. Clear? Equal distance पे रहेंगे तो skip counting भी बहुत neat बनेगी आपकी. So first, let's begin with skip counting work. So when you are standing at 0 and we have to do count by 3, as I told you, you are going to count 3 every time and make a jump. 1, 2, 3. So you will make a jump like this. 1, and yes, you will write the number of your jump also. 1, 1, 2, 3 here. So this will be the second jump. इतनी ऊपर से जंप कर रहे हैं ना हम, वी जंप लाइक दिस ओनली. देन लेट्स गो अहेड एंड सी 1 2 3. Again, let's make a jump here. This will be third. 1 2 3. So you will reach here, and this one is going to be the fourth jump. Understood? Now see, you all are standing at 12. So what we will do, we'll stand at 12 in the next line. यहाँ पे खड़े हो जाएंगे हम like this. Again, let's count 3 ahead. 1 2 3 till here. Let's make a jump. So this is, यहाँ पे हमने 4 करी है ना jump. So this one will be the fifth one. Understood? Now 1 2 3 here. This is going to be sixth. Understood? Next we have 1 2 3. यहाँ पे reach करेंगे. So let's make a jump. Seventh. Now we have 1 2 3. You will reach here. That is going to be your, ये 7th है तो next jump कौन सी होगी? 8th. So now we are standing at 14. So in the next number line we'll go and stand at 24, sorry, not 14. Here we reached 24 na. So what you will do? In the next line we started from 24. So you will stand here at 24. Understood? Now let's move 1 2 3. So you are going to reach on 27 like this. So let's make a jump. Like this. Then okay, this is the 8th one we had here. तो अब ये कौन सी होगी? 9th. Now we are at 27. 1 2 3 here. So let's make a jump. And this will be 10th. So as I told you कि minimum 10 jumps की आपको skip count show करनी है अगर skip counting आती है तो. Clear? So like this we have done our skip counting and we have shown 10 jumps. Skip count by 3. Now what next? Now we are going to write the table here. Can you see? 3 into 1. 1 jump. So कहाँ पहुँचे थे? 3 पे. When you took the second jump, you landed on which number? 6. 3 into 3. With the third jump, we reached number 9. Now on fourth jump, you have reached number 12. After taking your fifth jump, we reached number 15. Then 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 8, 24. 3 into 9, 27. And 3 into 10. 3 into 10 will be 30. So like this, you will first do your skip counting work, and after doing this you can check from here and do your tables as well. Understood? So class, this is your today's classwork. What is it? Classwork. Now if we talk about homework, for homework you are going to do similar work for table of 2. Understood? सबसे पहले आप इस तरह से नंबर लाइंस बनाएंगे, उस पे you will do skip count by 2 and after that you will write the table like this. For this you are going to for homework you will do it for 2. Clear? So on the next page You will first make number lines. After making the number lines, you will write your table. And you will also show skip count by 2 there, as we have done here. Clear everyone how to do your homework in classwork today? So class, I hope you have understood what work you are going to do today in your maths. As your classwork, you are first going to revise your table of 3. The method I have shown you. How? First you will do skip counting on number lines, and after that you will write the table. And in the same way, you are going to practice your table of 2 as today's homework. There also you will first make number lines. You will show skip count by 2, and after that you will write the table of 2. Clear all? So now please finish your work and get ready for the next class. Take care.